Hello, guys. Good morning. This is Miss Ana Luisa Verma Hipólito, and today is Wednesday, November 11, 2020. Today we will have our language class. Be ready. You will copy this on your notebook. Singular possessive nouns. You have learned that a singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea. A singular possessive noun shows that one person, place, or thing has or owns something that possess. To make a singular noun shows possession, add an apostrophe and an S. Okay? The fur of the dog. That means the dog's fur. The color that the pet has. That is the pet's color. I want you to look at the picture. This is a girl. It's singular. And the girl has pumpkins. So the sentence will be the girl apostrophe S pumpkins are beautiful, right? You have always to look to the owner who has, and then you have to look to the belonging, to the possession, what it has. Okay, copy that on your notebook and let's continue. You will copy this too in your notebook. Using possessive nouns is shorter and better than other way of showing possession. Let's read the longer sentence. The dog belonging to Joel is barking. Now, the words on blue belonging to Joel tell us who possess, who's the owner. Now, the possession is dog. Let's underline or mark the word dog. You have to identify the owner and the possession. Let's underline the word dog, okay? Now, the better or shorter form is to identify the owner, Joel. So you will write Joel apostrophe S, and then the belonging. Dog is barking. So the new sentence will be Joel's dog is barking. Now, let's see this little chart. The child. The possessive form will be child apostrophe S toy. So we know that the child has a toy, possess a toy, that is the owner of the toy. Now we have the word Tess. Tess is a person. And if you see Tess ends with S. But because it's singular, we have to add apostrophe S. Ted Spike. You see that we have three S's. Doesn't matter if you say boss, apostrophe S, driver, or grass, apostrophe, color. Doesn't matter if it has two or three S, as soon as the word is in singular. Now, let's go to the word pony. Pony is singular. Pony, apostrophe S, tail. Pony's tail. Fish. Fish, apostrophe S, fins. Okay, copy that in your notebook and be ready. Okay, this is on your Workbook Plus, page 29. Singular possessive nouns. Rewrite each sentence and change the underlying group of words to include a singular possessive noun. In the sentence, the underlying part tells us who's the owner and the possession. Okay, I have here a picture of Jackie Robinson. Okay, so let's read number one. The book belonging to Amos is about the first African American baseball player in the major leagues. Okay, so we have Jackie Robinson, who is the African American baseball player, and we have another picture of a boy named Amos. Okay, Amos possesses the book belonging to Amos. So we have to identify first the owner. The owner is Amos, okay? And the belonging is the book. So the new sentence will be Amos apostrophe S book is about the first African American baseball player in the major leagues. Now, let's work on sentence two. I will help you with two sentences. In second sentence, we said that we have Jackie Robinson says the name of this baseball player. So, who possesses the name? The baseball player. So, it will be baseball player apostrophe S name is Jackie Robinson. Remember, always identify the owner first and then the possession. Okay? I want you to complete number 3 and 4. Now let's read the second part. This student's speech has 6 errors in singular possessive nouns. You will use proofreading marks to correct the speech. Okay, be ready. I will be reading to tell you where the errors are. And I will mark right there. Jackie Robinson's baseball hero. Jackie Robinson is one of the baseball greatest heroes. So right here, the owner is the baseball. Okay. Let's underline baseball and you will add apostrophe S. Is one of baseball's greatest heroes. When he played for the Dodgers, he was one of the team best players. Is the team's, I will underline team, you will write on the top team apostrophe S, best players. His hard work and tremendous skills earn the nation's respect. Okay, let's mark nation and you will add apostrophe nation's respect. He was voted the National League most valuable player. Is league apostrophe S. League's most valuable player in 1949. Robinson talents won him another award too. So who possessed the talent? Robinson's. Let's identify Robinson and you will write Robinson apostrophe S. Jackie induction into the Hall of Fame occurred in 1962. To whom belonged the induction? To Jackie. So it's Jackie apostrophe S induction. Okay, and those are the 6 errors. I want you to write it correctly. Write the full word adding the apostrophe S and complete the 2 sentences on the top. Okay? Let's go to page 30. Singular possessive noun. Okay, I want you to look at the charts. They have the name Lisa, Raymond, Amos, Jenny, and Katie. And each of these kids has something. So Lisa has a rope. Raymond has a racket. The globe belongs to Amos. Jenny possesses the net. And the ball belongs to Katie. So you will use the equipment from the students to play a new game called Jump Fast. Explain how the students above will play Jump Fast using the equipment they have with them. Write a possessive noun and another noun in each blank. Okay. It says Jenny will hit. What of the belongings will be hit? Well, the ball. So Jenny will hit the ball. But who possesses the ball? Katie apostrophe S ball. On line 1, you will write Katie's ball. Give me a second. My helper will write Katie's ball in a minute. So you have to identify the owner and the possession. Okay, right here the owner is Katie. So you will write Katie apostrophe S and then the possession ball. Now, with what will be hit the ball? With the racket. With Who has the racket? Who possesses the racket? Raymond. So you have to write Raymond apostrophe S racket. You have to write on each of these lines the possessive noun. You have to identify the owner and the possession. I already helped you, giving you two answers and marking the belongings of each of these students. Okay? Okay. You will have in the folder a worksheet, okay? And remember, a positive attitude can really make dreams come true. It did for me. David Bailey. I love you, kids. Be positive, stay safe, and we will make it. Goodbye.